Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Claudiane Diana, who has a new video for you. So thank you for joining in today, and thank you for inviting your friends, your family member to subscribe to my channel, because let me tell you something, it's gonna be revolutionary and you all need to be on board. So today I have a new video for you, and I'm going to show you guys how to make Haitian patties in 1 hour. 1 hour only, using the puff pastry sheet by Pepperidge Farm. You will find it at any grocery store in the frozen section, and I'm going to show you how to use this and make Haitian patties. And especially the holidays are coming, you want to bring this to your potluck. You want to bring this to your Christmas dinner, to your Thanksgiving dinner, to your New Year's Eve dinner. Let me tell you, this recipe is the bomb. So you won't regret it. So please grab a pen, grab a notebook, because it's about to go down. So what you need to realize this is the puff pastry sheet, la vache, or the laughing cow. You're gonna need some water. I have some leftover chicken, so I'm gonna show you guys how I use my leftover chicken to make my Haitian patties. And I also have some tuna. So the good thing about this recipe is you can use any filling, you can style it, you can put whatever you want inside, and I'm telling you, it's gonna be even better than the bakery. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you guys the steps. Okay, now the next section is I'm gonna take my laughing cow, je prends la vache qui rit et je vais mélanger avec mon filling parce que la fait plus liant. So on mélange comme ça. Les anti-gens fait le coller, il fait le plus bon toujours. Vous voyez? On prend un autre morceau. On mélange comme ça. So c'est mon tuna. That's one filling. And you do the same thing again with the chicken, or whatever filling you're doing. That's the good thing about it. You can customize it. You can make it your own. You can make it with lambi, beef, whatever you want. I don't know, so whatever you want in your patty, you can do it. So you just mix it well. You can put cheese in it too. It will melt inside. I bet you will never have that Haitian patty ever in your life. You've never had that Haitian patty. Well, let me tell you, it's gonna taste amazing. So all you're gonna need is you're gonna take your pastry. It comes like this in the box. So what I do is, after I finish cleaning my table, I'm gonna open it, but make sure you don't leave this out too long, because when it's too soft, it just gets so hard to manage. So you take this out, you unfold it like this, and this is how it looks like. 1, 2, 3 sections. And you also have another part right here. This is it, and I'm gonna do the same thing again. I just push this here like this, and you're gonna unfold just like you did before. 1 and 2, and you just put it. So whoever taught me the recipe showed me a trick. So what she did is she folded this into 3. So this is gonna tell me the size of my patty. So what I do is I fold this like this in 3 sections equally, like that. and I'm gonna use this as a marker for my patties. It's not gonna be perfect, but you know, at least you have an idea. So I fold this into 3. So I'm gonna fold this like this. You can see 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3. So what I do is I put this on top of this like this. If you can see, with a knife. And what I do is it basically tells me where I'm gonna cut. So this is one line right here, and I do it like that. I don't need to go too deep, I just need to mark it so I have an idea how I'm gonna cut my patty. Okay, and I go on this section here, and I mark it here, I mark it there, and I can bring this down like this so I can see this part right here. So now I can basically separate them. Here you go. So ce que je fais maintenant, j'ai divisé en 3 parties. Comme ça. Maintenant, j'ai 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. J'ai 9 petits carreaux. Donc, je coupe comme ça et comme ça. Je peux la séparer. Bon, vous pouvez voir qu'au milieu là, c'est plus gros. It's bigger than the other part, but it's okay. It's not a problem. We're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing over here. I'm gonna use the same paper that I used, or because it was frozen and it's melting, that's why it's a little bit wet, but it's not a problem. All you need is just to measure it. Why you needed the water. So all you do is you put the water on each and every single one of them just to make it soft enough so you can put them together. It's like you're gonna fold them. So dump your finger. You don't want it too soft. So c'est comme ça qu'on fait. So, okay. Après avoir appliqué l'eau, on va ajouter le filling. So I'm doing some chicken here and some cheese because I love cheese. So I know it's gonna melt inside and it's gonna be yummy. So I'm just doing another one here. I'm gonna do another one here. A big one. A big piece like this one here. It's gonna be the bomb. So j'ai 9, that means we're gonna have 9 patties. So I can make 4 chicken and I guess 5 tuna. because I only have 2 fillings. So she did 4 chicken, so let me do 1 more chicken here. Alright. Okay. And what I do now is I take 1 and I just put over it. And I press the corner. It's very, very important that you make sure that you press it hard enough. Because si vous n'appuyez pas fort, guess what? Quand vous mettez dans le four, ça va s'ouvrir et tout ce que vous avez mis à l'intérieur va sortir. So it's really, really important that you press it right here. And that's 1 patty. So punya lang.
Hey guys, so this is how my patty looks like. It smells so good. So that's what que nous même nous faire recette dans la caille et que nous et si nous fait please comment dire qui j'en nous fait et qui j'en nous remet recette là pour nous faire plus pour nous toujours. So I'm gonna take a bite.
So good. So, ma continue à manger par thème, ou même à faire la caillou. Et puis, on va dire, petit janvier. Bye, bon appétit.